everyone. I'm Didi Zodab. Today I would like to tell the story. The title of the story is The Garden of Witches. In a magical garden, each flower had a witch. Emma planted seeds of kindness and hope. As they grown, her witches grow into happiness for everyone. The moral of the story is that kindness grows when you give to others, comes back to you. Thank you for your attention.
I am Julie Liao. Today I would like to tell the story. The title of the story is The Rainbow Treasure Hunt. Lucy and her friends follow a colorful rainbow to find treasure. They discover a child with friendship bracelets. Instead of gold, they realize they do treasure what their friendship. The moral of the story is the bad treasure other friends we make along the way. Thank you for your attention.
Hello, good morning everyone. I would like to tell the story. The title of the story is Malu the little housekeeper. Malu the little housekeeper watched over ship at sea. One stormy night, he kept the light shining bright. The captain thanked him for his bravery. The more story is responsibility and courage can save life. Always do your best.
Hello, good morning everyone. I am Bhumedri. Today I would like to tell the story. The title of the story is The Snowflake Adventure. The Snowflake Adventure. A little snowflake wanted to see the world before midday. She looked down from the sky, dancing with the and sparkling with the sun. She realized how beautiful world was even for a short time. Moral is every movement that makes them move off your time. Thank you.
The story is The Secret of the Missing Mirror. Ella found a missing mirror that showed a world of invisibility. Each encouraged her to believe in herself. She is ready to find difficult hard to potential. Moral, believe in yourself. You can create your own path. Thank you for attention.
Hello, good morning everyone. I'm Yan Liao. Today I would like to tell the story. The title of the story is This Adventure of Captain Jellybean. Captain Jellybean saved the candy sea in a ship made of sweet. He shared history with everyone he met and spread joy. His adventure taught sharing bring happiness. The moral of the story is generosity create joy. Sharing made every adventure sweeter. Thank you.